Hello everyone. Hello sir.
Hi,
Good
Sona.
evening.
Good evening.
I have completed my 30 days and before that I had joined this course like 1 year back. And
Correct.
as soon as I joined and I finished the 1 week itself, I felt like this is not enough. I want to continue in this. I have attended courses from other people also, but I have stopped after that. But this one I felt like I want to continue. And while
Yeah.
starting to solve this 2XP workbook, it gave me a lot of clarity. And I was thinking how I should make money to continue as a lifetime member. Then the big offer came, like you are the lifetime member. I'm very happy about that. And in Feb, I think it's in Feb, like sir told, like it is a 28 days challenge that you have put up. Till then, I was attending like 4 to 5 days a week or 3 to 4 days. And whenever I can't, I'll just skip it. Suppose if I'm sleeping late, next day I'll think that night itself, I'll think like, okay, tomorrow I'll get up only by 7:30, 8 o'clock. I'll skip the session. And when you announced for the 28 days also, I thought the same, like, it's not possible for me. I will just continue with the same 4, 5 days pattern. Still, I'm very happy, active, good. That time itself, I was getting all that. Initially, I didn't have much motive. My life used to be like others decide what I have to do. Suppose
Yeah.
family decide like today we'll do this. Since I didn't have anything else to do, I'll join with that. Later, I become little disappointed. Why did I do that instead of this? So that change already started changing when I joined your course. And I have a purpose like, oh, we are writing down the goals each day. So I'm like, oh, I have to do those two things also. The other thing is not important. So I'll just easily tell them, no, I'll continue with this. You guys carry on. So I
Hmm.
could choose like what I want to do, and
Correct.
automatically, without my knowledge, I was taking care of my body, mind, and all, even for the rest of the day. That was
Hmm.
one good thing. Now, when 28 days challenge came, I thought like, no, this is not possible for me. Without a break, never possible. Then in our group, actually, I want to thank Vardhini here. She used to put up every day, like 26 out of 28 completed. When she completed 28 days also, I'm not thinking it's possible for me. But later she started putting 34 days out of a 90, 40 out of 90. Then I'm like, no, when people can do this, yes, definitely even I should give a try. Whether I'm
Yes.
not able to do the exercise or whatever, 5:30, even if I'm sleeping at 12:30, I'll make sure plan plan. 5:30 I get up a little early than 6 o'clock so that I brush up and I'll be ready. And I get up and I started doing, and even I completed the 20 days.
Great.
And
Amazing.
and a few practices in our group we are doing, like how many days you are completed. Even though I'm not putting every day, once I complete 5 days or 10 days, I used to put up 10 out of 28. So that becomes a motive. If I make a break, then I have to start it like 1 out of 28 again. So that also gave me a motivation not to break anywhere, and we continued. It's only one day that I joined 6:15 or 6:20. Like every day I could join from beginning itself.
Great.
And yeah, thank you, Ardini. And one more thing, what I was doing was habit tracker. Once the habit tracker is there, night routine, morning routine, and rest, some of the habits I have put it up there.
Hmm.
We are like excited to put ticks in that.
Yeah.
So for that sake also, I was like attending it. And once I
Yeah.
attend it, I'm really thankful to you. Like I told you, I could choose what I want in the whole day. And
Correct.
even if some negative things happens also, things doesn't go as I want also, that disappointment is only for some time. Then I'm carrying
Yeah.
on and moving ahead. The next
Correct.
day I'm doing the morning routine, again my mood is fine.
Correct.
So
So
in
that's the
many
whole
ways it
thing
has helped.
is, yes. There's the whole idea is resilience. I always talk about resilience. We all will go through, everybody will go through some ups and downs in life. That's the beauty of life, is like, challenges will come. Sometimes things won't happen. Sometimes if we don't finish on time. But a lot of time before, how we used to get stuck into that feeling, oh, being a victim of it, thinking about, oh, why did this happen, why always happened with me, and being sad, guilty, and then the loop goes on. Now the whole idea is how quickly you are able to come out of it. That's the whole idea. Everybody will feel guilt, sorrow, sadness, irritation, frustration, but how quickly are you able to change your state? That's the whole practice. Right. So good job, Sona. Keep it up. Yes, you've been here from a very long time, almost a year, I know. So keep up the good work. All the best and continue this journey. All right.
Thanks a
Be
lot.
regular in
Thanks a
this session.
lot, sir.
Yeah.
Thanks to Vedant also and everyone in the community.
Great. Great. Thank you so much.